This is the last like week, not even weekday of bliss we have. It's no fun.
Hiya, are you using up today?
What, sorry?
Using up today?
Yes.
What's the code?
Sorry, just give me a second.
Okay.
This is
it should be 9614.
I wasn't far off.
Yeah, what would you like to order?
Can I get a double cheeseburger, please?
Yeah.
A double cheeseburger meal with no pickles.
Which drink would you like?
Oasis, please.
Anything else?
A Smarty McFlurry. Just regular fries. A water. An Oreo McFlurry. These things stress me out, bro.
Give us a liquid taste test. Show us it in your mouth.
How much do you pay for that camera? Let's really use this. I just. You want me out the fucking car? Thanks, mate.
No, I don't know what Cameron's done, man. He locked me out as well.
Press the unlock button on the dash. Please. Oh God. I'm actually like. Hang on. There must be another way to do this. If I. It's not happening, man. Hello. Not even remotely close.
Yeah, you are.
No, I haven't got that one.
There you go.
You got it?
Yeah.
Didn't even answer that.
Don't fucking ask for my McFlurry.
There you go. There's something Jenny again. We're getting kicked out of Ikea, aren't we? What should we suggest that?
Your posture's really good.
Dinner for two? Or maybe a kiss to end the evening. The table also folds up into the bed.
What are you doing in the bedroom? It's on a table, isn't it?
I recommend this one. Welcome to the Criterion Closet. I'm going to be picking out my 5 favourite books of all time. Start off strong, we've got Is Barnet by Elizabeth McGregor. Very extensive book. It's all in Swedish. I'm still yet to read it because I've not learned the translations yet. It takes place on Baffin Island. It's a really good read for anyone who's interested. Next up we've got The Golden Gate by Vikram Seth. Now this one really spoke to me because I had it on Audible, because once again I don't speak Swedish, so I had it translated to me and some really nice guy was whispering about it. It's all about poetry, Swedish poetry. But yeah, I really recommend that one as well. Now this book really spoke to me. Mork Frail by Margaret Drabble. This is Margaret. She wrote this book to me. Once again, Swedish. Not that that's an issue.
I can't, like, if it throws me back.
Let me walk you through one by one.
Probably.
Jim, Jack, James and Jonathan. They're all brothers. Coincidentally, I'm sure you know what's coming up, sisters, related. This whole family, 50 years ago, that's my bloodline.
Very
Believe
Catholic.
it or not, yeah. Which one is my dad? Try and take a guess.
He's got your eyes.
I was gonna say.
That's my dad.
Bummerclaw.
That's a table right there. It's just a really small coffee cup looking table. There you go.
This is pretty nice.
Oh, it does look lovely. fair, I don't want to alarm you, but you got a bit of wood stuck to your head, mate. Candle's going.
Just doing a quick little room tour, Jake, mate.
Give me a room tour.
So this is where we cook the food.
Yep.
That's where we wash up. It's the wellies. It's Finn.
I was wondering where we could store that.
I found him.
Yeah. Hello.
He's there.
I thought it was the little one.
No, we found him.
Wait, Finn, how do you turn on night vision? Leave my premises. I'm back. Leave me alone.
Never a normal day around here, is it? I got it.
I remember.
The only way I've been able to find it.
I don't think this is stable.
What do you mean it's stable?
Oh, yeah.
I was thinking
Goes
about
hard.
Have you ever played it? Like
sick.
when you throw the stones and you have to.
Then drop the camera.
Goes hard.
These little thingy slices. Hell yeah. What the hell? You missed as well.
No, I just didn't want to hit you with the dirty spoon.
Don't actually.
Not my camcorder. Not on there, mate.
Condensation. What the fuck you put that in?
Feel
I'm not
that.
sure how you
Yeah,
can
electric shock.
belong here. Jeez.
I'm actually impressed.
Supervised play for up to 60 minutes while the grown-ups shop. They have ball pit and various games and arts and crafts to do. Speak to members of the private Manchester and
The goose.
London.
The Dragon Warrior piece.
You don't want to upset me, kitten. I have a dark side you don't know about.
I'll freeze frame it one more.